Hello everyone, I hope you all are okay at home. Today we are going to start our maths chapter number 3, addition. Okay children, it is of class 3rd. Now what do you mean by addition? Addition क्या होता है? When we are adding two or more numbers together, we can just add 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4, 5 and so on. We can add many numbers together. That is called the addition. Okay children? Now we are going to start with our chapter 3 of addition. So open your textbooks, page number 40. Okay. Now addition of 3-digit numbers. Now we are going to learn the 3-digit number, how we can just add 3-digit number without any carrying. Okay. So here we will start with our addition, that is exercise 3A. Okay, you have to do these questions in your book only. Self practice. Okay children, now we are going to just do the addition. Okay children, now question we have: add 1 100 tens ones, we have number 463215. हमें इसे ऐड करना है. How we will add? 5 plus 3, what will come? 8. 6 plus 1, 7. 4 plus 2, 6. हमने इसमें कैरी ओवर लिया है? नो, हमने इसमें एक भी कैरी ओवर नहीं लिया है. दिस इज द साइन ऑफ एडिशन. किसका साइन है ये? एडिशन का साइन है. नाउ वी विल डू दी थर्ड पार्ट. 100 tens ones, 644, 312. 4 plus 2, 6. 4 plus 1, 5. 6 plus 3, 9. Without carry over, we have done the question number 1 third part. Now, fifth part, that is 100 tens ones again. Then we have 580 plus 206. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 0, 8. 5 plus 2, it is 7. The number we get is 786. Next we have part 7, that is 100 tens and ones, 503, 215. Now 5 plus 3, 8. 1 plus 0, 1. 5 plus 2, 7. The number we get is 718. So children, like this you have to do the rest of the questions in your textbook. Okay. What we have just learned about the questions, that these are the questions which are not having any carrying digit. Okay. Without carry over, they have been done in your textbooks. So now next we have the questions that are with carry over. Okay children, I hope these questions are clear to you. So we will just proceed to the next exercise. Before proceeding, you have the homework. So I am writing here your homework. Do in book. Okay. Add self practice 3A. First we have done second, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. You have to do this in your textbook. Okay. Now we will start with the exercise 3B. Okay children. Write this homework in your diaries so that you will not forget to do this work. Okay children? Now, coming to the next exercise, that is self practice 3B. Okay? Now, these are the questions are of 3-digit number with carrying. Okay? Now, we have add. First part we will do 100 tens and ones. The number we have 368 plus 27. Now, how you will add? 8 in your mind and 7 in your fingers. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now, 1 carry over and 5 is 1's place. 6 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 6, 7, 8 and 1, 9. 3 will come as it is. So, what number we get? 395. Next we have third part, that is 100 tens ones, 564, 149. Now, 4 in your mind, 9 in your fingers. After 4 count 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1 here and 3 at 1's place. 6 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Here comes 1 and here is the other one. Then 5 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 5, 6 plus 1, 7. The number we have 713. Next we are going to do the fifth part, that is 466 plus 275. 6 in your mind, 5 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 here and 1 here. 6 in your mind, 7 in your fingers. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Plus 1, 14. 4 in your mind, 2 in your fingers. After 4, 5, 6. Plus 1, 7. The number we get 741. Then we are going to do the seventh part, that is 100 tens and ones. 695 plus 49. We have 5 in your mind, 9 in your fingers. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 here and 4 here. 9 in your mind, 4 in your fingers. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 plus 1, 14. 6 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 6, 7. The number we get 744. Next we have the last question, that is 9th. Rest all are your homeworks. 9th part we have 100 tens ones, 547 plus 138. 7 in your mind, 8 in your fingers. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. 1 carry, 5 at 1's place. 4 in your mind, 3 in your fingers. After 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. 5 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 5, 6. The number we get is 685. Now write the homework for this also. You have to do this homework also in your textbook. Okay children? Add self practice 3B. Which questions you have to do, I will just write on the blackboard. First we are having 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 and 12. You have to write this homework in your diary so that you will not forget to do in your textbooks. Okay children. Now what we have just learned, that is the how to add the 3-digit number with carrying and without carrying. Okay children. So I hope this much is clear to everyone. You have to do the homework in your textbook. आपको आपका homework book में करना है and you have to write the answers of the questions which I have given to you in your book. That is self practice 3 is some questions I have done on the board. You have to just write the answers and you have to do yourself and you have to check the answers from the board. Okay. Next in the self practice 3B, you have to do these questions by yourself in your textbook. Then you have to just tally the answers that I have done for you. Okay children. I hope these 2 exercises are clear to you. Okay. So thank you.